How to add Ubank card to Apple Wallet. Follow my steps. Open the wallet on your iPhone. Tap on the plus button. This is the button used to add new cards to Apple Wallet. Select credit or debit card. Then you have to give card information manually. This may include card number, expiration rate, security code, and other necessary information. Then it's time for verification. They can send you a verification code by Gmail. Accept terms and conditions. Once the setup is complete, wait for a confirmation letter. Your Ubank card should now be added to your Apple Wallet. Thank you for watching the video.